What's up everybody, Matt Moran here for another video from Detroit. So this is the new 2019 Jeep Cherokee, which as you can see has a new front end on it here. It's completely worked over, so it has more conventional headlights than the double headlight arrangement that was on the older ones that was kind of controversial, and I personally didn't like. I think this looks a lot better in my opinion. And there's lots of other good improvements here for this new Cherokee, but a couple of those improvements are on the inside. The inside's mostly the same. They said there's some nicer finishes, which I couldn't really see personally in a quick glance, but you can see that it actually has the new Uconnect infotainment screen. So it's the same size. You either get a 7-inch or an 8.4-inch, but they all come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's really one of the greatest head units in the industry, honestly, and so glad that that stayed mostly the same, but just a little bit faster. There's also the Jeep Select Terrain traction control system still there. There's also a couple different four-wheel drive modes. There's this all-new Jeep Active Drive 1, which reduces weight in the four-wheel drive system and enhances fuel efficiency and performance, they say. There's also the other ones that they've had in the past with the locking rear diffs and all that. Anyway, new rear end as well with some new taillights. You see the liftgate now has the license plate integrated into that instead of in the lower bumper like it was in previous versions, and looks very good. So another interesting thing is there's a new engine offering. So you can still get the standard 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine or the 3.2-liter V6, but there's the new 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, the same one in the Wrangler, the new Wrangler, 270 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. So actually just 1 horsepower less than the V6 and way more torque. Almost, I think, 70 extra foot-pounds of torque there. And so that doesn't have the e-torque system like the Wrangler, so you don't have to worry about any kind of hybrid system. It does have start-stop, but other than that, I don't see any mention of the hybrid system here in the Cherokee just yet, although that may be coming eventually. But really cool they're offering that new 2-liter 4-cylinder. Really great choice, and overall really nice refresh here for the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.